Oh god, it's raining. Hey YouTube, this is gonna be a short introduction about this video. I'm gonna be installing the P3 boost gauge on my car. And before I get started, meet Helios. I named him after the Greek god of the sun, but I made the I silent because it makes it easier to pronounce the name for people who don't know how to pronounce it. It's spelled Helios, but the I is silent, so I named him Helios. Good boy, good boy. Ah, don't bite me. So, let's start installing. This is a B8.5, obviously. That means I have to remove this whole silver trim out, unlike the B8, where you can only just remove this side panel. So I'm gonna have to get like a flathead screwdriver and probably a few of these and start prying it out. I'm gonna be cutting the video multiple times to show you all my progress. A bit lazy and scared, but I managed to use only my fingers and this tool to pry out the bottom part, which made it really easy for me to lift most of the bottom part out without snapping any hinges or scratching the surface of this frame. But that being said, I can easily take the first piece off, which is this, and now I could pull the vent out. So the lazy way, I just used one hand to pull the frame up, all the way up, and then the other hand I pulled the vent out. Now I'm gonna have to unlatch the vent shutters stuff. So I'm gonna have to do the bottom two, this one and then this one, and I'm gonna have to be careful not to mess the calibration of the rest. So let's start by slowly taking this off. I'll cut the video and I'll be back. To mess up like me, I just used duct tape to tape the bracket behind this stuff right here, and now I'm gonna carefully place it into the right place. This is the outcome. As you can see, trying not to be careful. Shit. Okay, good. Can't mess with that. It's very, very sensitive. It is calibrated to the tape, so I gotta be really, really careful to install everything else. You can see now it is fitted correctly. I peeled off the electrical tape and I fitted the wire through the very most right side if you're looking at it this way, or the very most left side if you're looking at it this way. And now let's open this and just try to plug it in through the OBD. Put the trim back on in its place. It is now time to connect it to the OBD port under here and do some cable management. Cable management looks a lot better now. It's time to turn on the car. That's RPM. Shit, low tire pressure, okay. I think that's speed, 0 to 60, battery. I don't know what the left button does. I gotta read the manual. Coolant temperature. Intake temperature. Throttle. speed. Oh, that's pretty cool. It tells you your speed. And there you have it. It took about 30 minutes to install because I messed up. But other than that, I'm actually pretty satisfied with the P3 vent. Really simple. Anyways, stay tuned for more videos.